Vidya Y, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Vidya founded Vision Empower with two friends in 2017 to empower children with visual impairment through inclusive education. This was the result of her own battles to study maths and science. It has been a long and challenging journey.
I was born in a very small village which had no resources, and there was lots of stigma about persons with disabilities.
When her parents were told that she had lost her eyesight, after the initial shock, they were determined to educate her. Vidya joined a residential school in grade 2 and worked hard to catch up.
After almost working hard and thousands of sleepless nights, I secured 95% in my 10th grade board exams. That was a turning point for me and my family as well.
Although math was her favorite subject, people discouraged her from pursuing it due to her blindness. Nevertheless, after a BCA, she joined Triple IT Bangalore for a postgraduate degree.
I enrolled for a Masters in Digital Society course in 2015. And there the accommodations were good. That was the first time I ever saw an inclusive environment. And then on the result day, I got to know that I had received the gold medal when I graduated. I was the batch topper.
In spite of all this, Vidya couldn't get a job on account of her blindness, with people suggesting she become a telephone operator or try for a bank job. That's when she decided that she would not look for jobs anymore, she would create them.
Because millions of visually impaired children have been deprived of studying these subjects, I thought to work for STEM education and set up my own organization. We just started off in one school in Karnataka, but right now, after 6 years, we are in about 125 special schools in 14 states, which is a huge impact.
Vision Empower works with partners to create accessible content, instruction kits, and technologies to assist the teaching and learning of STEM for children with visual impairment.
At Vision Empower, it is not another job. It is the passion which has brought us here.
Our goal is to take STEM education to every visually impaired child across the globe. Since we have all the processes set up, it's our responsibility to take it to every child who needs it across the world.
Working with Vidya, her vision, her thought process, it's very practical and to the point. And this really helps me in whatever I'm doing, makes all the more meaningful.
Vidya's parents are justifiably proud of all her achievements.
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಾಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾನರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ.
ತುಂಬ ಮೊದಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕರ್ಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅದೇ ಜನ ಈಗ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅವಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
I am really very happy how my life has shaped out to be, because now I know that I'm one day not going to leave this world only with suffering.
Vidya Y, recipient of the Coven Care Ability Award for Eminence 2024.